Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I am going to be planning my month of November in my Happy Planner, so I thought I would film it and take you along as I figure out how I'm going to decorate it. So stay tuned. Okay, so here is the monthly calendar from my planner. And as you can see, I have a few sticky note flags here and there of things I want to put in on various days. And then I also off to the side have some things I want on my to-do list. Now, sometimes I use a free printable that I get online. You can also buy printables off of Etsy, and some people have their own websites where you can buy their printables. But I am this time going to just be using washi tape and some stickers I bought at Target, maybe some that came with my planner, to decorate. And I'm going to, I think, be using these colors here, which I got in a little pack at Target. And then also this one, it is a sparkly leaf design. I don't know if you can quite see that. But they have fall leaves, oak leaves, maple leaves, all the way around here. So I'm going to see how those all play out, and then I will show you at various stages along the way. Okay, so here it is with the washi tape. I decided to use the leaves at the top and bottom, and then do kind of a striated effect with the sheer white sparkly tape, and then the gold that's sort of tied in with the leaves, and then the coppery color. And I did think about putting some of the sheer white tape over the top, but then I decided I didn't like the way it looked. Now I'm going to go about filling in some of the things I need to put into the calendar side, and then I'll work on maybe decorating the sidebar and adding a little bit more decoration onto the top of the calendar. Okay, so I have added in some reminders on the dates, and used this sticker book that I picked up from the Target dollar spot for $1, and it has different colors in it of stickers, and I thought these kind of taupe khaki colored stickers went well with the leaves and other washi that I had. And I've just added in the week that my husband has off of work for Thanksgiving and the Veterans Day holiday, and he has a student free day. That's to help me remember what his schedule is, so I can plan around that. And now I'm going to work on the sidebar over here and adding in a little more decoration. Okay, I added a couple more things in. Don't know if you can see too well, but I do have a hair appointment that day, and then I put a reminder to myself to change the clocks for the end of daylight savings time. And then I added a few more little check boxes over here in my to-do list. I'm going to fill that out. But this is how my planning spread looks. Let me know if you like it in the comments down below, and if you'd like to see more of them in the future. So did you like this video? I'm trying to figure out if people do like these plan with me sorts of videos as part of my channel content. So if you did, please give me a thumbs up and also leave me a comment down below and let me know if you'd like to see more of these. So that's it for this week. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I do post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. I do a lot of tablescaping as well as other home decor type videos. And once in a while, a plan with me like this one. So I hope you'll all come back next time, and take care.